Hello, day 3. We're going to check out na sa hotel and then punta kami ng Mongkok and then ng Wan Chai. Date ko kayo later guys. Bye! We're here guys. Checking out. Outfit check guys. Bibili ako ng shoes sa Mongkok guys. Lalakarin lang namin since dyan lang pala yung Wan Chai. Kasi check-in namin yung gamit namin doon. See you Manila later. Guys, we're going to Wan Chai. Check out na kami guys. We're checking out. Let's go guys. Papunta kami ng Wan Chai. Lalakarin lang namin from Causeway Bay to Wan Chai. Guys, doon namin mahanap yung building. Sabi, pagod, lata at sobrang init. Dito kami sa may street food. Ito yung ano namin. Grabe, binuhat namin to. Tatlo na to talaga. Causeway Bay to Wan Chai, nilakad namin. Girl power, panis. Ilang steps kaya yun, tapos may mga dala-dala pa kaming maleta. Ito yung pinuntahan namin last time. We go here and then we try the squid ball. We're looking for the hotel, so we will check in our luggage. We can't find it. I'm so hungry, everyone. This is Hong Kong, everyone. Later on, we're going to Mongkok after we check in our baggage. Bye! Ito kami ngayon sa may FRT, going to Mongkok, and I have here outside. Pampalakas kasi kanina, grabe, pagod na pagod kami. Kaming tao, guys. Maliligaw ka talaga dito guys, cause kung hindi mo tinitignan yung mga signs like ganyan, no? Mga signs like that. Lost in Hong Kong. So hard guys, lalo na kung alone ka magta-travel. Ang hirap. Hi guys, we're here in Mongkok again. Going to buy shoes. Guys, look. Gonna buy Cortez, guys. Guys, bumili ako na ito. Ano lang to? 80. Mga 700 something. Yes. Grabe, sobrang lakas niya. Para siyang blower, guys. Dito yung mga maleta, oh. Dito kami bumili ng maleta, yung color gray ko. Ito na yung Cortez ko, guys. Unbox ko later. Hi, guys. We're here at Mr. Sophie. And the pila is so Para 12:30 pa yung namin, flight namin. Maaga lang kami para makapagpahinga sa airport. Hi guys! Dito na airport guys. Check-in na yung mga pagkain. And then, inaantok na ako. Kakain muna kami. And then, dito guys. Outfit check siya. Ang ganda ng curtains. Guys, we're here inside. Yan, dami kong dala. Chinek-in ko yung dalawa kong dala. And nandito na kami sa loob. Naghanap ako ng kakainan. Mamaya pa kasi yung boarding namin. Hi guys, I'm going to get my order here. Nag-map po ako. Update you guys later. Hi guys, ito na yung McDo. Hindi ako nakapag-mukbang ng McDo dun ng maayos. Pero, mag-mukbang tayo today. I got fries. Shake fries to guys. Cute! I don't know what's this. Nuggets. Yes, this is Angus burger. My gosh, this is 2 pala. Click ko, isa lang, pero dalawa pala yun. Buy one, take one. And then the sauce, guys. Barbecue sauce and then the powder. It's so cute. This is the flavor, honey barbecue. Parang shake fries natin, guys. Taste test, guys. Going home, guys. Here at the train, going to the gate.
Engine track crew, welcome on board HQ 2312 Manila. The flight time by